2 failed attempts of the C55 starting up, we finally got it up and running. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Report. Today I'll be driving for you the 2004 Mercedes-Benz C55 AMG, which is known to be the most reliable used German car out there if you check the previous video I've uploaded. But this one was a little bit different, so I'll let you know more during the video. Stay tuned. Most of the issues that I've found out when I test drove this C55 is due to its age. So yeah, anyways, moving on. So with the C55, compared to the C63 that came after it, it's got a much more forgiving ride. But it does have a more loose character. The steering on the C55 was terrible. It was so loose compared to the C63, of course. But yeah, this is the time when Mercedes were not letting AMG build their engines. It was Mercedes building Mercedes engines and sending them to AMG for tuning them up. The gearbox in this is considerably slower than the C63's auto gearbox. The gearbox felt like it was going to come out of the car. I'm not joking, it felt like it was just going to drop itself in the middle of the motorway when it was changing between gears. It just felt like it needed a new gearbox. But yeah, as I said, AMG had much less input building this car. Still got a nice sweet V8 in it, so you still have that nice V8 tone, but obviously it's nowhere near the M156 the 63 offered after this. But yeah, all I can say is this is a much more comfortable ride. And probably will give you less headache too. The wheel alignment on this car driving at that speed was just frightening. Like, the steering was just, it wasn't straight. It would not drive in a straight line. So you really needed to pay attention. These paddles compared to the C63 are just, they're like paper compared to that car. Wow. Mercedes didn't really put an effort when they decided on building the C55 or the AMGs prior to the C63. So, bloody indicator, mate. Where is your indicator? Okay. But that V8 tone, it just gives you it makes up for all of these things. And then also you've got the M113 engine reliability, arguably the most reliable German sports car, which is pretty good. And the gearbox is pretty good too. 5G Tronic, put in the same cars as the V12 S600 with up to 1000 Newton meters, so can't complain there. But anyways, we'll jump out of it and we'll give you some exhaust revs. Now let's see how the C55 sounds like. My final verdict about buying a C55 as the most reliable used German car is please stay away if it's for a daily. But if it's for a nice weekender or a second car as a fun car to have, definitely go for it if you have the money, obviously. But yeah, most of those issues that I've mentioned throughout the video are related to its age rather than it being an unreliable car. It is almost 20 years old now, so you would expect it to have wear and tear here and there. Otherwise, unless it's owned by an enthusiast and they've loved it so much they need to get rid of it because of space or because of some non-financial reason. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Please like and subscribe, and I'll hope to see you all in the next video. Cheers!